Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Doodly with VideoScribe. The first thing I'm going to share with you is what are the main advantages and disadvantages I personally see. I own both of these programs, so I'm going to show you literally everything, and also side-by-side comparison, like in what way there are some differences, in what way I think one is better comparing to the other. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, and then I will show you how we can use VideoScribe and how we can use Doodly. So let's start. The first thing that I want to share with you is that, okay, VideoScribe got more hand styles. VideoScribe got more image library that you can use the images. You got more royalty-free music, but Doodly got royalty-free sound effects. You can import your own custom fonts in Doodly, and also really important, VideoScribe offers you a way how you can work offline. So if you want to use Doodly, you need to actually be connected all the time to the internet. So this is really important if you want to work offline. Let's say that you go somewhere where you're not going to have internet, you can't use Doodly, but you can use VideoScribe. This is the first thing. The second thing that I want to share with you, hand styles. As I mentioned, VideoScribe offers you a way how you can create your own custom hand style, and that's huge. On Doodly, you're unable to do it. So if you're not satisfied with the Doodly option, VideoScribe is just for you. That's the second thing. The third thing, custom image support. This is huge. Doodly is winning this battle when we compare the way how we can upload your PNG files. So with the Doodly, you are going to upload a PNG file. What you can do is to actually track how it's going to be drawn. That's amazing, but there is no option to manually edit the draw path of custom images in VideoScribe. So sometimes it's not going to be pretty. So in Doodly you can do it, in VideoScribe you can't. Camera zoom pan, I like it also more in VideoScribe. Let me show you, this is beautiful. So in VideoScribe, it's much more pleasant to do it here. So what I can do is this. So let's say that I'm going to have it right here. And what I can do is, first, I'm going to clear the element camera position. I'm going to fix it like set camera to current position. And then I'm going here and I'm going to cancel the camera position. And then I will set camera to current position. When I'm going to play it right now, look how beautiful it seems. Okay, it's going to load. Okay, we got it. Bang. This is beautiful, and VideoScribe is winning. So if you want to create these kind of transitions, VideoScribe is big win here. Now let's go further. Royalty-free music, as I mentioned, Doodly is winning here. With the fonts, you can have more with the Doodly. And video render options, Doodly is winning here too. Also, you got option to add 60 FPS and have MP4 file format, and maybe you will need it, so that's huge. Now, to summarize just the beginning. Okay. Doodly got more fonts, VideoScribe got better transitioning. Doodly offers you a way how you can, like if you're gonna upload your own image, how you can track it, and that's really good with the Doodly. And yep, so it really depends which one you like more, and if you need to work offline, you should use VideoScribe. Let's go further to the pricing plan. This is where the fun begins. The one thing that people don't talk about, that with the Doodly, you don't have straightaway option on the standard version, if you're gonna buy it, to have colorful characters. How is that? Only because Doodly is really aggressive with the in-app purchases, and they are trying to upsell you. So when you're gonna buy standard version, you need to actually upgrade it for another $67 one-time payment to have colorful things here. So I have Abraham, I can't use it only because I need to pay $67. On the other hand, when I'm coming to VideoScribe, with the VideoScribe, I just insert like image here, and I got like people, and I can search items here. And I can just choose a person. Female, voila. So this is how VideoScribe works. VideoScribe gives you offer to have colors. In Doodly, you have to actually pay for it. So this is the first thing that you need to think about. Now, and there are other options that you need to buy in Doodly. In VideoScribe, you are just covered for it. When I go further, Doodly, offers you $39 standard version and enterprise, nearly 4,000 character images, prop images, etc. And VideoScribe offers you also 40-day free trial, so we can actually test it out, like 7 or 40-day free trial. You can test it out by yourself if you like it or if you don't like it, and that's huge. Only because you can actually download it and learn how to use it and see if it's for you or no. When you come here, you're gonna see single user, monthly plan, yearly plan, €25 a month, recurring payment. Okay, and you're covered. €25. Standard version is €32, $39 is €32, enterprise is more, or one-off, so VideoScribe is even cheaper. You can have also free account, but free account is really limited. I wouldn't choose VideoScribe if you want a free account, only because, look at this, how it's going to look like. You're gonna see the VideoScribe trial version behind it. So yeah, there is going to be always the watermark, but understandable. I mean, like, they created the software, they should ask money from you. I mean, when the software is good, it's okay to actually like ask money. Now you see it right here, quick start video template and everything monthly plan. So Doodly is losing the battle when we compare the pricing plan. VideoScribe is much cheaper. Now, when we compare how we can actually use and what you can do with both VideoScribe and Doodly, they are quite similar. But as I mentioned, there are some differences. So in VideoScribe, you come here and you can click here on images. And let's say that I can add technology, some cars here, a bus, or animals, or characters, chart, education. Plenty of things here, right? Buildings. So let's say I'm going to add a building. It's just more colorful, right? And I have a building here. I can edit it. Element properties. I can have drawing options here, change the animation, pause, transition, change the drawing hand. I can create a new hand if I want to. Graphic filters here, or I can like change the image. So this is how it works in VideoScribe. When I come here to Doodly, okay, I got scenes. So let's say that I'm going to change a theme like this one here. Oh, I like both are simple, but I like the Doodly more how we can edit things personally. So I'm going to make the car smaller, like here. The tools are going to be here. And what I can do is to add a character, plenty of characters here too. But it feels to me that Doodly is a little bit faster when I compare how we can move things and how we can edit things. That's just like my perspective of what you can do with it. And what you can do is again press settings, and when we compare it, you have more options to do with VideoScribe and with the like people there, etc., and how we can edit it. Like also with the driving hand, with the graphic filters that you can blur. I don't really think that you can do it here. If you are unable to do it, so that's the first thing. Here in VideoScribe, you are able to do it. And then, yep, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, with VideoScribe, you can do much more. But again, to summarize this whole video, with the VideoScribe, the huge advantage is that you can have actually color for people. You need to pay more money to have it in Doodly. No one is saying this. The second thing is that with a VideoScribe, you get better transitions. But with a Doodly, you have options to add your own font. With the Doodly, you have options to add better music, like the royalty-free sound. With the Doodly, you have option when you're gonna like upload your own image to track how it goes. So that's another thing that you should need to keep in mind. But in the end of the day, it really depends what do you actually need. Like, do you need a colorful, or it's enough for you to use Doodly only because you're gonna upload your own images, you are not going to use a lot of transitions. Which one you actually need? That's the question, right? And I can just add a delay here. Let me play how it's going to look like. Preview. So it's driving the car here. And this is really depends, like what do you actually need? Which one you like more? You get free trial in VideoScribe, so I recommend like testing it out if you like it, if you enjoy it. And if you don't, you can simply use Doodly. but you need to actually buy. But Doodly got also 30-day money back guarantee. So as you can see, we got Abraham right here. So, and then you're just gonna add a voiceover and you are good to go. Also, what I don't like, what Doodly did, is when I was buying a standard version, they asked me to literally, this was like, god damn, why are you doing that? They asked me to buy straight away 3 another packages when I already paid 42 euro. So in that regard, Doodly is kind of meh, but yeah, that's just my perspective. So guys, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. Don't forget, with the Doodly, you need to have a constant internet connection. With the VideoScribe, you don't have to do it. So that's something that you should definitely keep in mind. But yeah, free trial in VideoScribe, more hand styles, more image library, custom image support, camera zoom pan, royalty-free music. More fonts in a standard version, but you get more import custom fonts in Doodly. So you see some advantages and disadvantages. Now, as I mentioned, VideoScribe is cheaper, and with a free trial, Doodly, you need to pay. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.